One of the most precise systems in your car is the fuel injection array, and when one specific cylinder starts acting up, it can throw the whole balance off. If you have scanned your vehicle and found the code P02C5, your computer is telling you there is a possible fuel injector leak specifically on cylinder number 11. This is a serious issue because a leaking injector can cause a lean fuel condition, which might lead to burnt valves or cylinder head damage. The way your car figures this out is pretty clever. The PCM monitors the oxygen sensors in the exhaust to see if the mixture is rich or lean. If it spots a lean condition on one bank, it then looks at the crankshaft and camshaft position data to pinpoint exactly which piston was on its power stroke when the anomaly happened. In this case, it pointed the finger right at cylinder 11. You will likely notice a loss of power, maybe some misfires, and definitely a drop in fuel economy. Before you start tearing the engine apart, I always recommend looking at the basics first. Pop the hood and inspect the fuel rail around cylinder 11. If you see heavy corrosion or actual wet fuel on the outside of the injector, that is a dead giveaway that it has failed physically. If it looks dry, we need to dig deeper. You will want to grab an automotive stethoscope. With the engine running, touch the probe to the body of the injector. You should hear a steady, rhythmic clicking sound. That is the solenoid opening and closing. If you hear silence, it is not firing. If the sound is weak or inconsistent compared to the other injectors, it is likely clogged or failing internally. Next, grab your digital volt ohm meter. Disconnect the injector plug and check for voltage and a ground pulse while the engine is running. Usually, you have constant battery power on one pin and the computer pulses the ground on the other. If you have no voltage, check your fuses. Here is a pro tip. Test the fuses while the circuit is under load. Sometimes a fuse looks fine when you just look at it, but fails to carry current when the engine is actually running. If the electrical signals are good, but the injector is not clicking or is leaking fuel into the cylinder, you are looking at replacing that injector. Do not ignore this one, because driving with a lean cylinder is a fast way to kill an engine.